Hello everyone, welcome to my LeadPage Review 2023, where I'm going to be going over many of pros and cons. When it comes to this landing page builder that's been around for a good amount of time now. In fact, they have been around so long they have made a lot of great improvements, which I think you are going to like as I kind of dive deeper into some of their best features that they have to offer. So let's enjoy the video.
Meet LeadPages, the best way to transform clicks into leads and sales. It all starts with a LeadPages site. Simply select your favorite mobile responsive website template, then drag and drop elements to fully customize it without touching a speck of code. Optimize your site for SEO by setting your meta descriptions and keywords. Then preview how it will appear on Google, Facebook, and beyond. Because every template is mobile responsive right out of the box, your visitors will see your pages perfectly displayed on every device. And when you're ready to go live, publish to any domain you own, or we'll host your site for free. Now it's time to turn your web traffic into leads and sales. With LeadPages, not only will you get unlimited landing pages, you'll also never have to pay more for traffic or leads as your business grows. Get started by finding your perfect template. Easily customize your content, save time by adding pre-designed sections, and create time-sensitive offers with countdown timers that automatically update when the clock runs out. Add an email capture form to any page or pop-up and connect it to your favorite marketing tools and apps. Send your leads to designated email lists. Instantly register people for webinars and book appointments seamlessly. You can also turn any page into a sales page by adding a checkout and begin selling online in minutes. You can also optimize your landing pages with unlimited split testing to determine which of 2 or more versions is highest converting. In addition to websites and landing pages, you'll also have access to an unparalleled conversion toolkit. Create and publish pop-ups to any web page you own and find the right moment for your message by triggering your pop-up after a certain amount of time or important behavioral cues. Put an alert bar at the top or bottom of your website to call attention to a special offer or a lead magnet, and publish them to your landing page, website, or blog. Whether you're focused on building an audience or building your bottom line, growing your business online comes down to how well you turn clicks into customers, which is what LeadPages does best. Start your free trial today.
Check out the link in the description for more information, and choose your best plan.